Hi guys, I'm gonna show you that I can solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, 3x3 Rubik's Cube, 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and a Pyraminx. Let's get to it. So, we're gonna do the 2x2 first. I'm gonna move these aside. So, this is the timer, I guess. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 41 seconds. So, now, oopsie, we're gonna go for the 3x3. I'm gonna show you this first. So, let's get to it. 3, wait, actually, I'm gonna inspect first. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, no way, no way. 50. And this is the cube. New high score. Yay. Okay, I got my PB. Now it's time for the 4x4. Whoopsie. Gotta move these aside first. Okay. Let's restart again. 3. Wait, actually, oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Another new high score, 320. Time for the hardest puzzle for me, I guess. The Pyraminx. Oopsie. Let's see. Okay, this is a good start, actually. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. Got it. Oopsie. Okay. I mean next project. The 5x5. Bye.